Call parking is an alternate way of putting callers on hold by moving the call to a virtual parking lot in the cloud and freeing up the phone line. Once the call is parked in the cloud, it's assigned its own predetermined extension, and anyone with that extension can pick up the call. No messed up transfers and no accidental hangups. You'll learn how to create and use call parking on your account. Let's say your caller needs to talk to the service manager. The manager is out walking around in the warehouse and not in the main office. Rather than running over to find her, you park the call and announce over the intercom that the call is waiting on a certain parking spot. She'll be able to pick up the call from any phone. Let's see how this works. Once you've signed in, click Settings to access the admin functions. The call parking settings are found in the Resources drop-down menu. Click Call Parking. Any call parking groups you've created will appear here. It can help to think about a few options you have. You can set up an individual parking space or add several spaces together in one virtual parking lot. Either way, each one you set up is called a call parking. Let's create a new virtual car parking lot. First, name the call parking. Then, give it a local extension. This extension isn't usable through the system. It's only a base number for your parking lot. It's also a mandatory field where you will define the number of spaces you'll reserve for call parking. Click the magnifying glass icon to review the extensions that are in use. In this example, extension 900 isn't on the list, which means it's open. So if you set the local extension to 900 and the number of spots to 3, Broadvoice will automatically create extension 901, 902, and 903 as usable parking spaces. By default, hold music is preloaded for you. However, you can customize the audio callers will hear while they are parked. When you click the Send Reminders option, your phones will get periodic reminders about the parked calls. You can then choose whether you want the reminder notification sent to the phones or have the call ring back. If you have a Polycom phone, click the ring back method as this is the only option that's compatible with your phone. You can also specify where you want the reminders to go, to the person who parked the call directly or to everyone subscribed to the parking lot. Then, define the ringback interval and timeout. By this we mean the amount of time that the call will be parked before a reminder notification is sent, and then the number of seconds the notification will be played. The numbers you enter here are in seconds. So in this example, you'll get a 5-second reminder every 30 seconds while the call is parked. To differentiate new calls from parked ones, utilize the prepend caller ID name. For example, by entering CP here, an abbreviation for call park, you'll see this on your phone's display when you get a reminder. You can also select a distinctive ringtone here. Once you've completed setting this up, click Save. Your new call parking has been created. As a reminder, you can always edit this call parking here or delete it.